cancel, please press 2.
Thank you for connecting to the Amazon. My name is Kevin Morris. How can I help you?
Hi, I just got a call that there's an order of $700 placed in my account. I haven't placed any order.
Okay, is there anyone else who can make this order from your account?
No.
No. Okay, then just give me a moment. If that was not you, then let me check some more details and I'll let you know what exactly going on, okay?
Okay.
And have you ever shared your Amazon details to anyone, like the ID or a password?
No, in fact, I just created my ID last month only. I even
Last month
did
only,
not even
okay.
use before.
Okay, because I just checked and I came to know this order has been placed from a completely different location. It is from United States, Dayton, Ohio, and the name of that guy is Alex Matthew.
No, that's not my name. My name is Bikram Singh.
Okay, do you know about this guy, Alex
No, not
Matthew?
at all. I don't know anyone in that location. You said Ohio in US. I don't know anyone over there.
Well, the thing is, it seems like someone else is using your account from Dayton, Ohio. Your account has been compromised. I'll do one thing. I'll cancel that order for you. Nothing to worry about it.
Thank you.
And I'm also going to check whether there is any charge or not.
Okay, please.
If there is any charge under your name, then I'm going to initiate that refund back to you. But the main thing, what you need to do from your end is, you have to secure your account first, which has been compromised. And in other hand, you have to block that person. You need to block that guy from your account as soon as possible, or else he will make this kind of order in future as well.
So should I
Alright?
change the password? Should I log in and change the password?
No, changing the password is not a permanent solution because each and everything is visible for that guy at this point of time. I'll do one thing. I'll cancel this order for you first, and after that, I'm going to connect you to the main server of Amazon. After that, our robotic team will block that person from your account. They will secure your information. After that, you can change your password.
Okay,
Is
please.
that okay with you?
Yeah.
All right. So right now, I'm talking in your cell phone or in your land phone?
Cell phone.
Okay, just put me on speaker first. It will be easy for both of us.
Okay. 1 second.
And go back to your home screen. Go back to your normal home screen.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah, and is your Android phone or an iPhone?
This is my Android phone.
Okay, then please open up your Play Store.
Play Store, okay.
Yeah, once you open your Play Store, have a look at the very top. You will see a search panel where we can type, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, type down over there Anydesk. Anydesk desk.
Any space?
And search for that. Yes.
Anydesk, okay. Anydesk remote desktop. Software GmbH.
Correct. Install that app. Yes.
Okay.
Install that application.
Okay.
Alright, so with the help of this application, you are going to connect with us with the main server of Amazon. And not only that, in future, if someone is trying to get into your device or if someone is trying to get into your account, at that point of time, this Anydesk will block all those third parties, okay?
Okay, fine. It's installing.
So let me know once it's done. If you see any option for open, do let me know.
It's coming tutorial something.
Okay, give a click over there on that tutorial.
Yeah. Connection status.
And do you see any? And let me know what it says next.
Yeah, it is showing your address, remote address.
Correct. That is your order cancellation number. The address which you can see over there, that is your order cancellation number. If you have a pen and a paper with you, please note down that number.
सुन ये सब तरीका ना थोड़ा पुराना हो गया है. एक बात बता, क्यों करता है ये काम? तुमको क्या लगता है हर कोई बन जाएगा बेवकूफ़? क्यों करते हो काम? बताओ ना. गाली नहीं दूंगा तुमको क्योंकि तुम मुझसे थोड़ा ठीक आदमी लग रहे हो आवाज़ से. ऐसे बहुत सारे फ़ोन आते हैं मुझे. क्यों करते हो काम? एक बात बताओ ना. बोल सकते हो. अरे मुझे छोड़ना यार, तू बता ना, तू क्यों कर रहा है काम, क्यों
I'm
करता है?
planning to quit this. I'm planning to quit this. I'm just for 2 months.
नहीं तो एक बात
I
बताओ,
need some
तुम आज जो
money.
किसी को बेवकूफ़ बना लेते हो, मान लो कोई बन जाता, कोई इनोसेंट आदमी
हाँ
जिसको तुमने देखा भी नहीं, जिसको तुम जानते भी नहीं, तुमको मैंने कैसा लगता, रात में नींद आता तुमको, किसी को तुमने बेवकूफ़ बना दिया, किसी को लूट लिया, तुमको कैसा लगता है? ये एक बात बताओ, तुम्हारा मतलब मैं साइकोलॉजी जानना चाहता हूँ कि हो तो इंसान ही ना, तुम्हारे से कोई दूसरा आदमी लूट गया, जो कि तुम, जिससे तुम्हारी कोई दुश्मनी नहीं, जिसको कि तुम जानते नहीं हो, उसके बाद तुमको कैसा लगेगा, मैंने कैसा फील करते हो तुम? अच्छा लगता है तुमको किसी को ऐसे लूट लेना?
No.
तो फिर क्यों करते हो ये काम?
If it,
Why are you doing this then? You can tell me. Anyway, I'm not gonna harm you. You can tell me.
I'm in that situation, bro. Like I have to do it.
But why? What is wrong with you? Why you have to do it? There are so many other jobs to do in the world, in India or anywhere else. I know you are calling from India or might be from Pakistan, but why you are doing this? If you need a job, there are many other options, right? You can even opt for a legitimate call center instead of doing all these uh, activities. Why don't you do that?
I'm planning to quit this maybe after 2 months. But till next 2 months, I have to be in this field only. I need some money, bro. That is the reason.
तो दैट मनी चाहिए,
You
मनी
can
दुनिया
help
में
me.
सबको चाहिए, लेकिन इसका ये मतलब नहीं ना कि लूटना, तब तो मैंने, मेरे को पैसा चाहिए, मैं बंदूक लेके निकलूँ रोड पे लोगों को लूटना शुरू कर दूँ, ये तो कोई बात नहीं है ना। दुनिया में बहुत लोगों के पास 90% या 95% आदमी के पास जितना मनी होना चाहिए उससे कम रहता है, तो इसका मतलब सबके सब चोर बन जाएं तुम्हारी तरह, या चोरी करें या
No,
लूटें? ये क्या लॉजिक देते हो? मनी का रिक्वायरमेंट किसको नहीं है? सबको है ना। लेकिन ये तुम जो कर रहे हो, एक बात बताओ, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को पता है तुम ये काम करते हो? मैं गाली गलौज नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन तुमको सिंपल सा बोल रहा हूँ।
no. They don't know about
दे
it.
डोंट नो अबाउट इट, करेक्ट, यू एंड यू कांट इवन टेल देम, करेक्ट।
Yes.
हाँ, तो सोचो तुम क्या कर रहे हो। तुम क्या मैंने कोई भी रिलीजन तुम फॉलो करते हो, लेकिन किसी भी रिलीजन में ये लूटना नहीं सिखाया जाता, फिर क्यों करते हो? इंग्लिश आती है तुमको तो डेफिनेटली पढ़े लिखे हो, कोई ना कोई जॉब तुमको मिल ही जाएगी, जितना भी रिसेशन है वर्ल्ड में, इंडिया में कहीं ना कहीं तुमको नौकरी मिल ही जाएगी, इतना कमा ही लोगे कि खा लोगे, तो फिर क्यों ऐसे लोगों को लूट रहे हो?
Can you help me to get some job over there in Canada?
I'm not that much huge that I can arrange a job for you. I myself got this job after struggling a lot, but I never ever tried to do anything of the kind that you did.
Where are you from, bro?
अब इंडिया से ही हूँ, वो छोड़ो मैं कहाँ से हूँ, बट तुम कहाँ से बोल रहे हो बताओ ना, दिल्ली से, कोलकाता से, कहाँ?
Which place? Which place?
मैं इंडिया में बिहार से हूँ भाई।
Okay.
तुम कहाँ से हो?
Calcutta.
कलकत्ता से। अच्छा, तो कलकत्ता में कहाँ, सेक्टर 5 से मैं तुम्हारा कॉल सेंटर, कि कहाँ पर है?
You know each and everything about this field, right?
I know, and I have worked in Kolkata. That's why I know about Kolkata as well. कहाँ से कर रहे हो? सेक्टर 5 से, न्यू टाउन से कहाँ से कर रहे हो? ईरान में। हेलो।
Give me a moment, okay? Just give me a moment. I have another call to take. Hello?
हेलो।
Yeah, hello. Who is this?
Who are you?
Oh, I'm calling you from Amazon.
ए भाई काहे, छोड़ना यार, कोई और काम नहीं मिलता तुम लोग को?
नाम बताना ठीक नहीं समझता।
नहीं हाँ।
तो